Instead of scrambling through your Gmail inbox to find which gate you're flying out of or where you're meeting your mom for brunch, use the payment and subscription feature to view and manage your flights, dinner reservations, subscriptions, and more. It's like suddenly getting a personal assistant that you don't have to pay. This Gmail feature searches your inbox for any flight, hotel, concert, event, or restaurant reservations you've made and neatly compiles them in one place. It even keeps track of past reservations and subscriptions that have already expired. Go to the circle in the top right-hand corner of your Gmail screen with your initial or personal photo in it. Click Google Accounts, then Payment and Subscriptions. Select which option you want to view, whether it's subscriptions, reservations, or purchases you've made so that you can view and track them. That's it. If you have any questions, comment down below. If this video has helped you, say thanks by hitting the like and subscribe.